I'm got some exciting news actually because it's my BBSO Tachyon MT5 can absolutely optimize anything. Okay, that is FX, any pair you want. Okay, there are some favorite pairs and there are some favorite combinations which I keep secret, which I give to my best clients. But you know, it can optimize basically any pair. It can optimize any cross pair. It can optimize indexes. Okay, it can work on the Dow Jones. It can work on the S&P 500 and commodities, gold, silver. Although that's a little bit more complicated, but it works. Okay, that is the beauty of this self-optimization. It's completely automatic. It's plug and play on the MT5 version. Okay, and if you want to have more toys, there are MT4 versions. Um, I've discontinued the MT4 versions because I've kept them for myself, but there are some people that are very interested in them, so we could work out something. But the MT5 is the way to go. So you need to look at my MT5 program because I've been doing this since 2001, and really 2008 I went looking for a mechanical way of using my technique. My technique will work forever. It's mean reversal. You can be frozen for 100 years, it'll come back and still work. It's Warren Buffett type technique. Okay, now the exciting bit is, now what you're seeing here is Bitcoin. Okay, this is Bitcoin being optimized on 1 hour and 4 hours. I have the 4 hour chart, but this is a 1 hour chart, and it basically can be used in different ways. I wasn't too interested in Bitcoin in the beginning. I thought, I was hesitant. 2009, and I didn't do enough research on it, and the stock went from $1 to $20,000. But when it went back down to about 3, 4, 5,000, I said, well, this is something I cannot miss. And it's gone mainstream, it's regulated, you have stores in France where you can buy it, etc., etc. It's more and more accepted, and this Facebook launching their own coin has really propelled Bitcoin as a currency of choice. I mean, you can keep the money anywhere. It's kept in the net. You should just read. It's fascinating reading. It's kept in a network like a neural system. So you can never lose your money unless you lose your key. Whatever happens in the world. So, and what's amazing, it's like the gold standard because there's going to be a finite number. That's why everybody's rushing to mine. But that's another story. What's interesting here about Bitcoin, okay, is that you can now use it on the weekends because it trades, basically a lot during Asian hours because that's when most of the activity is, and it trades also, during Saudi Arabia, countries like that work on Saturdays and Sundays, and so there is activity on the weekend. So if you're a fanatic trader like me, I found an MT5 platform that will trade on MT5. Your account is in Bitcoin, and it will trade. So I can use my BBSO because I wouldn't do it any other way. I wouldn't do any entry any other way. Basically, I've been putting it on buy only, and I've been timidly starting to short it because you can see if I take you to my Renko Bitcoin chart, also, this is a Renko chart. You see very clearly, I have an EA to do that to me. You can see very clearly how does that come back. So yes, you can see very clearly on the Renko chart here, based on Bitcoin. Look at this move up here. I mean, using you know, all sorts of the Wolf method, for instance, etc. Anyway, that's all built. That's all automatic for me. You can see that there have been some charts, some occasions where you can actually short. So I've been using those timidly, although the shorts are getting smaller. So that's a pretty good sign still for Bitcoin. I mean, this was a high recently on Bitcoin, and we're going back there. Incredible. So the news is what I want to tell you today. The news is that you can use BBSO for anything, okay? And the person who just bought it just told me that he was looking for. I mean, most DAs have restrictions, and they tell you this time frame, this. That's all you can do. Mine can do absolutely anything, and there is no other DA on Coin private can do that. So think about that. You can optimize anything, and the optimization is very complex. There's plenty of videos to explain my method with the standard deviation, the bell curve, tail ends, the reversal to the mean, the 25 ways of entering, the overbought, oversold situations, the two filters, one that is simple, one that uses volatility and changes in volatility, probably the one you see down the bottom here, which is a really good, when it says BBSO no trend, it should really say ranging, and we are talking about ranging, and the market ranges 80% of the time. That's why I use the Renko module to do my trend charts. And it's 25% of the time. So you can actually just live on the plug and play main module that comes with the NT5 Takio. Okay? So I'll leave you with that, but the exciting news is that you can trade 7 days a week automatically Bitcoin. And that is the future. Because 7 days a week, why did exchanges stop 2 days a week? I mean, equities are dying. Look at that big shock in the city. My old firm hiring 20,000 people, shutting down the equity department. It's not going that well there. There's so many alternatives now. FX being one of them, which I really like, and trading Bitcoin is something you should not neglect. You want to be ahead of the crowd, okay? So I'll leave you with that. Cheerio.